Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Annabelle and thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be very informative, so stick with me till the end. You'll discover the powerful benefits of retinol for your skin, specifically targeting dark spots and wrinkle. I'll be breaking down how to use retinol the right way, including the best retinol cream, especially if you're a beginner, and how it also transformed my skin. Let's get right into it. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and it's one of the most effective ingredients for fading dark spots, smoothing wrinkles, and improving skin texture generally. But it's really powerful, so starting slowly is the key. And I also recommend that you start retinol as early as 25 years. That in that case you help maximize the effect of retinol and it would delay the appearance of wrinkles. Many people struggle with issues like dark spots and wrinkles, which can affect our confidence and self-esteem. These imperfections can make you feel self-conscious and hesitant to show your face. Skin concerns like these are common, but they don't have to be permanent. That's why usually we find solutions when we are insecure about ourselves, our skin, or whatever the case may be. By understanding the causes and exploring effective treatments, you can achieve a healthier and more radiant skin. Taking care of your skin is essential, not just like for looking good, but also feeling good. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and also leave a comment if you've gone through, any issues with retinol and you would like to share. Retinol can be a game changer for those struggling with skin issues, and it comes in different forms. You have the retinol palmitate, the retinol acetate, and the retinoic acid. Each type has its own strength, of course, and weaknesses, and choosing the right one depends on your skin type and skin concerns. When introducing retinol into your skin or your routine, it's essential to start slowly and be patient. Now you see why starting as early as 25 years is really important, so that you don't have to start struggling, being impatient to get rid of wrinkles. Begin with a lower concentration as advised and gradually increase as your skin can, tolerate. This will help minimize side effects like redness and irritation. Also always use sunscreen during the day, because retinol can make your skin really sensitive to the sun. So please always use sunscreen. Start 2 to 3 nights per week. I use this night cycle to track my routine and also applying on dry skin. So this is where the confusion is. When you're told to apply on dry skin, it doesn't necessarily mean that after you're done with cleansing your face, you damp your face dry and then go in with treatment or whatever treatment you're using. That is not how it is done. When they tell you apply on dry skin, once you're done cleansing, you apply a moisturizer or a an essence. I use a milky essence, and then I allow it for as long as it will take to dry, and then I go in with my retinol and I use a retinol cream. If you like a serum, you can also use a serum. After I apply my retinol, I allow it sit for 10 minutes maximum, and then I go in with a moisturizer that has barrier support, preferably a ceramide infused moisturizer. Easy peasy. And we all know this method as the sandwich method. It's common. So you either use a moisturizer like I said earlier, or you go in with like a milky essence to minimize the irritation. So when using retinol, please avoid using too much too soon. You start with a low concentration. Do not mix with exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs. Do not apply on damp skin, and moisturize with a rich moisturizer. So here are beginner friendly retinol that are affordable and I trust. the Good Molecules Retinol Cream 0.1% is what I'm currently using, and I've been using it for the past 1 year. It has amazing ingredients for your skin, and it's not irritating at all. So I love that one. Second one is the ordinary 0.2% in squalene. Amazing retinol that you can use as a beginner. So next up is the CeraVe Resurfacing 0.3 retinol serum. It has amazing ingredients and it's barrier friendly. So if you're looking into trying retinol as a beginner, you can also start from there. Please start really small. Like I know a lot of people are really wanting to get results as fast as possible, but start really small and be patient. It really works. Using retinol requires commitment, but the results can be really incredible. With consistent use, you can see improvement in your skin texture, your tone, and also reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol changed my skin, and I hope it does the same for you too. If you follow these steps that I have listed, then I don't think you'll have any problem with retinol, and you'll see amazing results. Let me know if you've tried any retinol, and if you have questions in the comments, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more real content like this one. See you next time.